government ya NRM ifana gityo inda hityo ngamarondere bula ikwamira mayi batyo about patience.
To hand over this compensation package amounting to 29,184,000 Uganda shillings. The RDC onward transmission to the beneficiary, who is Mr. Tasike Aron, on this evening, 5th of June 2025. Thank you.
Ndomusangafu nabi sinamanya zinyasha kaserita ne were we mongaki wanyala nabi walinda papa president Museveni wanyala kukobolera fefe babantu bewe ate mayi RDC okusabira zikabi menye mana uyete bantu bakala so igroup ya mire intebe SFC amenye ndi papa omukisolio na twase tingira balebe romor ndikumasikam abakefu kamileni yazi
This is yet another important moment where we experience the commitment of Uganda People's Defense Forces to its roles as a people's force. Especially the aspect of fostering harmony and understanding with the civilian population and local authorities. I thank the members of the District Security Committee who endeavored to inform us or inform government through the established channels about that unfortunate incident that happened on the 17th. In the same spirit, I commend Mr. Tasike and his family for his patience and perseverance throughout that time, from the time when the incident happened, following the legitimate channels of handling issues, until today when we come to bring a smile to his face with the due compensation. All this is possible because of the professionalism of the force and the continuous message of the Commander-in-Chief, the President of Uganda, we have managed to carry with us the compensation to Mr. Tasike that is sufficient enough to put this house into a much more better shape than it was even before. and also be able to resettle him after that renovation of the house.
Manafwa is as happy as you see them. They will show you, even in the box, they will show you. And that is them. So I want to take this opportunity to welcome you. When you come like this, we are so humbled. And I will not take a long time. Leadership yano mwanyala kulonda. Mwanyala kumanya mti akawa mainga yuna hii akolakina. Taski mwanyala kuba patient. Nga kwafunile buzibu. Ngezere nga kwa mubolele nga security committee. Amba asatike kuna kolada. Nenga kwikalanga security committee. Kwa wandikira basali befi Kampala. Senga representative of president kwa muwandikira ibaluwa bano batabona kwiramo inyandikire ya ida eringolobe kwa mire ibale bero bakucyazire bulayi kwa cyara bano bati mugamba nafa kukweza kukola kina.
As administration of this LC1, we welcome you warmly. Visitors, at times one problem is a blessing in disguise. That today, once a problem, you are here, some of you couldn't have seen you, but it is a blessing in disguise. But we buka kuitire kuwa muti nyawe kwali ngebato. Arukubona kurimbuka yatsi.